Folks, welcome to WCW Mayhem, brought to you by Electronic Arts. What is this? Great anticipation there. Irish whip. What are we going to see next? It may be over soon, folks, unless he can get out of this submission hold. Standing drop kick. That looked like it really hurt. Oh, he's got good insurance. Atomic drop! That looked like it really hurt. Oh, he's got good insurance. Kick. What are we going to see next? Good job anticipating the move and reversing it. Gutbuster! That looked like it really hurt. Oh, he's got good insurance. Roundhouse kick. He's out on his feet. Backbreaker. Great move. Not to give in.
So you're back on the walk back. Turn your back on the walk back. Turn your back on the walk back. Turn your back.
Double axe handle. Looks like he's going to take this fight outside. Wow, these men are laying it all on the line tonight. Knee drop. Great anticipation there.